Welcome back everyone, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our colored wheel trim kits for the Polaris Slingshot. Colored wheel trim kits are colored kits that go around the circumference of your wheel to add a sporty pop of color to your wheels. Now the reason it's taken us so long to launch this product is because every single kit that's out there is generic for any vehicle. And the kits that we found online are either flimsy pinstriping vinyl or made up of an off-colored plastic. Now it requires you to deflate the tire for installation and then use these cheesy little couplers to tie the two ends together. But since we try to avoid cheesy if at all possible, we still couldn't find what we wanted. So we made our own wheel trim kits with our friends over at Tufskinz. These kits are templated specifically for the Polaris Slingshot wheels and are cut to size to fit perfectly between each spoke of your stock wheel. The material we use is backed with high-strength 3M backing tape that's been UV coated for protection against fading and is available in most OE paint colors so that once installed, they'll look as though they've been custom painted to match your Slingshot's paint color. Before installing, keep in mind that the front two wheels have a smaller diameter than the rear wheel, so be sure you're installing the correct kit on the correct wheel. Also, make sure your wheels are super clean and free of dirt, grease, and other debris. This will ensure that you get maximum adhesion to the wheel surface. Now, I'd recommend washing the surface area of the wheel until it's squeaky clean, and then hitting the adhesion zone with an alcohol swab and letting it dry for a couple minutes before hitting it again with another alcohol swab before you start adhering the trim. You'll also want to do this with the surface area between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit, as the tape doesn't like to stick if it's frozen. Once the wheel is prepped and ready to go, make sure you test fit each piece before peeling off the protective backing and adhering it into place. Be sure to apply a lot of pressure to ensure proper installation, then repeat that same process for each individual piece, letting it cure for maximum adhesion. Once installed, the wheel trim kits look awesome and you have some bragging rights knowing that the wheel trim kit you're rocking is made for the Slingshot and not a Geo Metro.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Cut. What's wrong with the Geo Metro? Chicks love the Metro.
Anyways, if blinging out your sling is on your list of to-dos, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab a wheel trim kit for yourself. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Polaris Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.